Alright, today I'm building something powerful. A complete AI proposal generator. Live, step by step. You fill out one simple form, AI writes the proposal, builds a Google Slides deck, and emails it to your client automatically. All in under a minute. If you've ever wasted hours on proposals, this will change everything. My name's Neil. I've helped 40 plus businesses build automations like this with no code. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build it yourself. Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating the form. We'll start with a trigger. The form. This form is what your team or your sales rep fills out after every client call. Here's what I'm adding. First name, last name, company name, website, the problem they're facing, the solution we're offering, the cost, the scope of work, timeline, email. That's everything we need to generate a full proposal. Now I'll hit submit once just to test it. And you can see all the data appear. Perfect. We'll use this in the next steps. Alright, that's our input done. Now it's time to add the brains behind the system. Step 2. Powering it with AI. Next, we're connecting OpenAI, specifically the GPT 4.1 mini model. It's fast, reliable, and supports large context windows. Perfect for long text generation like proposals. Now, you'll need your OpenAI API key for this. If you haven't got one yet, head to platform.openai.com, go to Dashboard, API keys, create a new key, then paste it into your workflow. Okay. Now let's build the AI prompt. We'll start with the system prompt. You are a professional proposal writing assistant that creates concise, client-ready business proposals. This basically tells the AI who it is and what kind of writing style we want. Then comes the user prompt. And this is where we get specific. We'll ask it to generate structured data, not just plain text, using JSON format. So the instruction looks like this. Generate a JSON object with the following fields: proposal title, proposal description, problem summary, solution heading 1, solution description 1, milestones, cost, and thank you message. Why JSON? Because it lets us directly map those variables into our Google Slides later. Once we run it, boom, we get a full JSON response. All the fields are filled in, clean, clear, and personalized to the client's data we entered in the form. That's our AI logic done. Step 3. Building the proposal template. Now, we need somewhere to display that data. And this is where Google Slides comes in. I've created a simple branded proposal deck. A few clean slides. Intro, problem, solution, milestones, pricing, and a thank you page. Inside each slide, I've replaced the text with variables. For example, proposal title, company name, problem summary, solution description 1, cost. Those double brackets tell our automation, hey, replace this with AI generated content later. Now, every time a new client form is submitted, the system automatically copies this template, fills in the placeholders, and generates a brand new deck. Think about that. No more editing slides manually. No more version chaos. Just one clean master template doing all the work. Step 4. Sending the proposal automatically. Next up, Gmail automation. We're going to send that newly generated proposal deck straight to the client via email. Here's how the email looks. Hey, thanks for your time earlier. I've put together a detailed proposal for you. You can view it here. Link. The link itself dynamically includes the Google Slides presentation ID, so each proposal is unique, branded, and tied to that specific client. When this step runs, the client gets an email within seconds. No manual follow-ups, no messy attachments, everything automated. Step 5. Let's test the full workflow. Alright, let's run this entire system from start to finish. I'll enter the following info: client name, company, website, problem, solution, cost, scope, timeline. Email, hit submit. Now watch this. The AI is generating the content. Google Slides is building the deck and Gmail is preparing the message. Check the inbox. And there it is. Proposal for TriggerMate. Open it up. And we've got a professional email, complete with a clickable link to the Google Slides proposal. Click that link and boom, a fully customized proposal deck. Logo, summary, scope, milestones, pricing, thank you note, all done automatically. All I did was fill out a form. Now let's take a step back. Why does the system actually matter for a business? Because most teams waste hours writing proposals manually. Every client is different, but the structure is always the same. This automation flips that on its head. It saves time, keeps your messaging consistent, and makes you look professional instantly. Plus, if you run an agency or service business, you can build multiple templates. One for web design, one for social media, one for consulting. Each one runs from the same core workflow. You can even extend this system further. For example, add payment links to the final email. Or connect it with CRM tools like HubSpot or Airtable, or even generate branded PDFs if your clients prefer that. The possibilities are endless once you've got this base setup working. If you want to build the system for your own business, or get help customizing it to your workflow, book a call by clicking the first link below. We'll walk you through how to set it up, integrate your brand templates, and start automating your proposals right away. You'll save hours every week, and you'll never have to manually build another client deck again. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one.